Saving the Mishnah in your file manager. Within about a minute of opening the text, the Save As menu window will appear, prompting you to save this Mishnah in your file manager. The default name given to the file corresponds to its position in Shas. Here, for example, it's called Sukkah Perek Aleph. We recommend you give it a different name, and we have decided to call this file Training Video. Like any file manager, we have the option of creating a new folder by clicking this button called Create a New Folder, and we have called it Training Video. And that is where I'm saving this file. To save the file, do not click Enter. Instead, click on this Save File button and it will save the file according to the name we decided on, in the folder we created in your personal file manager. Now we can clearly see the file name appearing on the top middle and next to it its position in Shas.